solve and graph each solution set. We have the absolute value of 3x minus 1 is less than 7. When you have an absolute value of an expression less than a number, that means that this expression itself has to be between negative 7 and 7. So we can write this as negative 7 is less than 3x minus 1, and notice that there's no absolute value sign now, and that is less than 7. Now we can solve by adding 1 to negative 7, adding 1 to 3x minus 1, which gives us 3x, and adding 1 to 7, which gives us 8. Now dividing by 3, we have negative 2 is less than x, and x is less than 8/3. To graph this, we mark off a negative 2 and a positive 8/3, and we shade in the numbers between negative 2 and 8/3, not including the endpoints because we do not have less than or equal to signs. Then we can write the answer using separate notation as we can write the answer using separate notation as the set of all x such that negative 2 is less than x is less than 8/3, or using interval notation, we're looking at the interval from negative 2 to 8/3, not including either endpoint.